your joint. Okay. When you break your body, for example, now we are in this kind of situation. Let's say maybe you break one joint in your hand, your leg, your ankle, your knee, anything. Is it clear? Something break for your joint. They call it frattura means breaking. The artery at the joint. Breakage of the joint. Watch. La frattura, watch. Frattura è la rottura di un osso. They say frattura. Fracture is the breaking of a bone. Now, watch you. Se esso fuoriesce dalla pelle, la frattura è detta esposta. Now, if that, watch, if it comes out of the skin, imagine say, because there's some kind of deadly bad injury that you see that the bone will shoot out of the body. I don't see that kind of thing before. When we say the bone will come out of the body, out of the skin, they call that particular, they call that fracture, they call it exposta. I've never seen anything in quiz before, but it's better you know it. They call that injury exposta. Exposta. Is it clear? Let's continue. One more thing.
Frattura
They didn't put it in capital letter because it's not that important, but it's good you know it. They call that injury exposta. Frattura exposta. If that injury is coming out of the skin, let's continue. Watch. I segni principali di una frattura sono dolore violentissimo. They said one of the principal signs of breaking is what? Like serious pain. Maybe dolore violentissimo. Watch. Anche al minimo movimento, even at a minimum movement where you do, it go pain you well well. The lato. What is ato? Ato mean your joint. Any joint will get. Gonfiore. What if it gonfiore? That place will now swell. O la deformazione della parte lesa. What is that parte lesa? La parte lesa means of that injured place. That's what it means in Italiano. That place will be deformed. That place will be deformed. Is it clear? Now watch. What do you do now? As you that came there to come and do first aid, what do you do? They said, si deve immobilizzare la frattura nella posizione in cui si trova per evitare lesioni di nervi. What does this mean? Now they say, when you come there now, when I come there, immobilize that injured person in a position in which to avoid more problems to that nerves. We don't already break. Immobilize the person, put them in a very comfortable way so the person no go injure that thing more. Watch. Dei navi evasi e minimizzare i violenti dolori and try to minimize the injuries. That is by immobilizing the person. Watch. Che possono portare allo stato di shock. But remember, I say stato di shock. Now, when the pain dey too much. Students, I know say no let me dey talk, but please, if you've lost anything, draw me back. I will explain again, please. Or you jot things down. I know it's not let me dey talk here, but please, if you don't understand anything, you stop me and ask me a question. Or you jot it down. Now they can say, remember, when the person is having too much pain, it can lead to state of shock. We've done it before. Subito dopo, what do you do now? Subito dopo, se necessario, attuare le normali misure anti-shock. Now they can say, may you can't do everything what they call anti-shock. Now, where we did shock before, started the shock, we don't do them already. They say, may you can't, attuare means do those particular things to avoid shock, which we have already done before. Now watch. In caso di frattura esposta. Now, what is frattura esposta? Wherever the injury is shooting out of the skin. We've done it already. If the injury is shooting out of the skin, they said, in case of that situation, watch. Cioè, dove l'osso fuoriesce dalla pelle, watch. Non si deve spingere. Please, don't go and push it back. Avoid doing it. No go push and back. Remember, they told you, don't push it back. They said, don't push the small osso back. Tentativo di
Come here, come.
farlo, please, oh, nel tentativo di farlo rientrare. Don't go and push it back. Ma prima di immobilizzare l'atto, they said, but before you immobilize, please. They say, but before you immobilize that joint, watch, prima di immobilizzare l'atto, occorre coprire la ferita e l'osso con materiale sterile. Now, before you immobilize the person, try to cover that injury. Cover the thing, that joint. Cover am with very sterilized material. Or con un panno pulito per evitare infezione. With a very, very clean material to avoid infection. Watch. Occorre sempre attendere i soccorsi. Always wait for soccorsi. the right people to come, that is the ambulance to come, or medical doctors to come. Non è vero che è necessario chiedere alla vittima di muovere gli atti. Don't ask the victim to do like this, to move his body. No, 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 no. The joint is broken. Don't ask him to move that joint. O fallo camminare per ridurre il dolore. Don't ask the person, say, because you want to do like Superman. No, 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 no. Don't ask the person to walk to reduce the pain. Is it clear? They say immobilize the person. That's what they told us. Immobilize the injured person. So the person, so that the thing will reduce the pain. Is there any question concerning frattura agli arti? Frattura agli arti. Is there any question here, guys? Is there any question? All right. Let me see.
Sorry, Mr. Charles,
Yes, sir.
dur- during the course of this Frattura, uh, there could be shock with it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that can be shock.
Like,
Yeah, that can be shock.
okay,
It can lead to shock
okay.
because if the
So,
person
so,
take him now, God forbid, maybe you see
mm,
somebody now, Mr. Marco, see bone come out of his skin.
mm,
The person can lead to the person if you can even faint. Remember that state of shock can lead to fainting. Yes, person can get in a state of shock. Yes, they come out for quiz here. They said, yeah, possono portare allo stato di shock.
Also, maybe with the essence of too much
Blood.
of blood.
Of blood, yeah, exactly. Also, thank you, sir. Also, when the person see blood, they come out too much from body. Yeah, it can also lead to that also situation. All right. Our next one is called ustioni. What is ustioni? Ustioni means fire. When